In the last example on the page, it does not equal 1. So our equation has an x squared and a y squared, but it needs to equal 1. Also, because it's x squared and y squared with a minus sign, I know that it is a hyperbola. Divide everything through by 1296. And let's rewrite this. So it looks like it's going to become x squared over 16 minus y squared over 81 equals 1. So our center is 0, 0. Where are our vertices? The x is the positive squared variable, so it's going to open horizontally. So our vertices are going to be 4 units away horizontal. So I'm going to add and subtract 4 from the x coordinate of the center. Plot 4, 0, negative 4, 0. Also, that's one side of our rectangle. I don't know how tall I'd make it. Let's take a look down here. It says, okay, it says there's 81 under the y. Means I'm going to go 9 boxes up and then 9 boxes down, and this is what's going to make our rectangle. So let's do a nice job. Make this rectangle. That rectangle is going to help you find the asymptotes. Alright, here's your center. The foci, what we're going to do is we're going to add these. 80 and 10 make 90, 6 and 1 make 7. So c squared equals 97, so c equals plus or minus square root of 97. I'm not familiar if 97 divides by any perfect square. I actually don't think that it does. Because it's opening horizontally, I'm going to add the square root of 97 to the horizontal or x coordinate of the center. Our two foci are root 97 comma 0, negative root 97 comma 0. Now I know the square root of 97 is less than 10 units. I just would like to know approximately how close is the square root of 97 to 10. It's 9.85 approximately. So I'm going to go 9.85 really close to 10, to the left and to the right, really close to 10. And here are our two foci. These are the exact values. We can approximate it here. Our asymptotes, if I were to go up, I'd go up 9 and right 4. Because it passes through 0, 0, I don't need to adjust this equation. These are the equations for the two asymptotes. Works better if you have a ruler. There we go. So now let's make the equation. Our vertices are negative 4, 0 and 4, 0. This is like a very wide hyperbola, which is why the foci are really far away. So I don't want to go straight across, and I don't want to just take my time, but I feel like your eye is a pretty reasonable tool to sketch this graph. As you know, I like things to be pretty exact when you need to. I'm just not happy with how that turned out. Let's try this again. If you don't like it the first time you draw it, you can draw it again. Let's take a look. Alright, that's not terrible. Let's get it close to this. So I'm going to be very lenient with how I grade these, but I'd have to make sure that all the points are where they need to be and they're clearly labeled. This is actually a pretty decent sketch. Take my word for it. Alright, let's continue.